Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because it's another Shein haul. It's been too long since I contributed to the world of fast fashion, so here we are. This is one order, but they sent it in two separate bags. I don't know, whatever. Let's just start ripping into this. I know I wasn't gonna do another one of these for a while. I feel like it's been a month. That's pretty good for me. All right, let's just get into it, shall we? So the first thing I got is actually an outfit. This is the Boxy Solid Crop Tee and Snakeskin Print Split Hem Skirt Set. So the skirt is looking like this, super long snakeskin skirt, and then just a little simple black crop top to go with it. I say it in like all of my Shein videos. I order from Shein because like you can always do a discount code on top of like the stuff that's already marked down, so I got this set for $4.99. Anyway, let's go ahead and put it on. Okay guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. Let's just get that out of the way. The sun's going down. It is what it is. Okay, so for $5, what can you really expect? I do like the slit. I think that makes this skirt a little more fun. However, obviously it's super cheap. They should have done the pattern on the inside too, because like you can just see it and it makes it look a little cheap. This crop top is like super high. Like you could have a real underboob situation on your hands. The skirt's okay. I mean, it's a comfortable material. Like I said, I just don't like that it's, you know, not duplicated on this side, the print. It looks cute enough from the back. No complaints. I mean, it's all right for $5. It's all right. Would I wear it out in public? To be determined. Also, yes, I'm aware it's clinging to my belly. I don't care! It's like that root beer meme. I don't friggin' give a heck. If you know, you know. Woo! This skirt said it was denim online. It's not. It's definitely pleather. Feels great. Button side wrap denim skirt for $7.81. No, $7.01. $7 and a penny. Okay. I might just try this on with the shirt I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm going to try it on with yet, but all right. Okay, I have bruises all over my legs because I find that when I flip tires at the gym, I'm like putting my elbow into my leg. Anyway, I'm not being beaten. So I decided to, with this skirt, put on that crop top from the first outfit, and I think they're actually kind of cute together. Normally this isn't my style, but I'm all about trying to step outside of my comfort zone lately. This skirt, for being like a really cheap pleather, it's actually not very uncomfortable. Like, it actually feels kind of good. These buttons are obviously just for show. I don't even know what they're for, but whatever. Same thing with this one. It zips in the back, and then there's a hook and eye, which is nice. It's not done right now because I'm by myself and I need help, but I think it looks cute enough on the booty. Yeah, I actually like the skirt. Surprised. All right, next up, I've got the high waist buckle belted plaid skirt. It looked black and white online, but this almost looks like a blue in person. I'm not sure how it's reading on camera, but it's just a little skirt. There's like no stretch. Awesome, love that. And then it's got like this big chunky belt. I figured it'd be cute for winter. I don't know, plaid winter. Oh, I got it for $8.58. I'll try it on with this shirt since this is blue, even though they probably won't match, whatever. This is the, I think it says press buttoned slim fit t-shirt. I don't know, it's a medium. Everything I got is a size medium, just to make it easy down the line. And this was $7.01. So let's put these two on together. Holy shnikes, the skirt is, it's tight. She's tight. So is the shirt, actually. So this shirt is, oops, it came unbuttoned. This shirt is super thin and super skin tight. Like, it is, they called it slim fit, they're not lying, but the skirt is too. It's supposed to be high-waisted, so I was like, well, even though it's not stretching, that might not be that big of a deal because it's going up on my waist, which is smaller than my hips. Oh no, it's tight. You can tell it's tight. It's squeezing the life out of me. Here's what it looks like from the back. It's cute. I need to lose weight or some inches or something because I can't breathe. But it's cute. Material feels nice. Nicer on the skirt than the shirt. This feels cheap, but I like the color. This looked so much cuter online. Oh God. This is the lace trim off the shoulder top. Oh my God, all the loose threads. Damn it, Shein. I got it for $9.36 and it looks like trash. Try it on with some jeans. These are the Dipped Detail Bleach Wash Skinny Jeans. I got them for $9.36. They look skinny. All right, let's put them on. So funny story about these jeans. They look kind of cute, right? Oh, Shein. Maybe I can zoom you guys in enough. They didn't fucking cut the hole so that I can button them. I was like, whew, am I gonna get these buttoned? And I kept trying to button them. And I'm like, what the fuck? Why won't it go in? Because they didn't cut the hole. So, yeah, can't button these fucking pants. Not because I'm too fat, but because I can't. Here's what they look like from behind. Really cute jeans, actually, but if I can't button them up, I can't wear them. Maybe I can just get a scissor. Get a scissor. They're cut from the front. This shirt, it's definitely not as cute as it was on the model online, like at all. This is just a bad outfit. I have more pants to try on. These are the Cat Whiskers button front skinny jeans. These were the most expensive for $15.60. They just look like a dark wash skinny jean. I'm just gonna put them on with that white top or maybe another top. I don't know. Okay, these jeans I could zip up. Praise be. They feel really nice. I don't know what's up with Shein and their cheap denim, but they're doing it right. The pockets don't feel weird. Everything feels nice. They're a little long, but I'm used to that. That's okay. Oh, they're really cute. And they button. It's all good. Woo! She's sexy. Is this lingerie again? This is lingerie. God damn it. I just thought it was a regular bodysuit. This is the leopard print lace panel cami bodysuit. I got this for $9.56. Maybe I'll try it on with these white pants. These are the pearl trim cuffed hem skinny jeans. And they were 15 cents because the other pair was $15. It was like buy one, get one 99% off or something. So 15 cents. I'll try it. Fuck it. Why not? You guys, this bodysuit is so cute. Lingerie or not, like, I wish I was more confident in my body so I could show it to you. It's really nice. There's no padding, so all this is me. And then there's a really cute lace cutout. This cute little lace detailing here. Like, that's really pretty. And then it's like a bra closure, back cutout, and then it's like the way it, I don't know, I just feel like it's very feminine, like the way it's draping over my booty. If you're offended by my butt, sorry. I just feel pretty in this. Like, I don't want this to be lingerie. Let me put it on with pants. Woo, y'all, I tried it. Talk about going from I feel pretty to I can't fit in these fucking pants. These pants are too tight, obviously. Bummer. You can totally see the bodysuit through the butt, so these wouldn't work anyway. Also, what the hell is that? There's like a little green triangle charm thing. Oh, I ripped it. Oops. Oops. Okay. Pants are too tight. Bodysuit is cute. Okay, this is another two-piece set. Slogan graphic top and dolphin shorts. Short set for $5.30. It's like a long sleeve shirt, how you doing, from Friends. And then it just comes with these little short, ooh, they're little. Oh, these are gonna be so see-through. I hope you like my ass crack. Let's go. I definitely think this is supposed to be a sleep set. It has to be. I think it's really cute though. It's just the shorts are way too short. Like, if I turn around, you might see my butt. Maybe not. Let me pull them down. No, even trying to pull them down a little, they're still way too short. It's comfy though. I think the shirt's really cute, and the shirt you could wear like no matter what. I feel like it's just the shorts that would be a problem in public. Cute though. I love Friends. I'm basic. It is what it is. These don't feel great. Like, they feel okay, but they feel like they're gonna look really funky. These are just called high waist solid pants, and they were $5.30. I got them in the color black, obviously. And I'm just gonna try them on with some shirt. Maybe this shirt that I'm wearing. No, I don't know. Let's go. I put on this ugly shirt again just so I could put these pants on because I put them on with the bodysuit, but unfortunately the way they are, like, cut right here, it gives me that old lady look. Not into it, so I just threw these on. These are actually really comfortable. They're like the perfect length for me too. And yeah, they'd be good for a job interview or something. They're cute. I'll definitely wear them. It's kind of hard to give you an idea of the back because I do have this bodysuit literally going all the way up my ass, but yeah, they feel really nice. They're cute, and for like $5.50, something like that, I think they're a win. Not this stupid shirt, but the pants. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, as always, hits and misses. Some more than others. How do you feel about clothing hauls? I personally love watching them. Like, I watch a lot. I typically watch like plus size try-ons though. I don't know. I think they're more interesting. It is what it is. Anyway, if you like this video and you want me to do more clothing hauls, probably Shein hauls, let's be honest. I'm obsessed, even though I hate half the shit I get. I have problems. Like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.